Oh, I guess I'll go to my car real quick, man.
We got 20 seconds in the store.
Oh shit! I just made a brain. You want to see it?
Made a what?
A brain? Yeah, I caught you off guard, huh? When I said that, huh?
It was like a brain. I was like, oh.
Yeah, I stole a nigga's brain, killed that nigga, and made it.
Cry. You fucking cute.
Hell nah. Go off and cry. What you think this is, nigga? Nigga, I've been in Call of Duty since day one, son. You know who our grandpa is? He killed a nigga.
Yeah, you ain't grandpa. That's like
nigga, we kill, bro. We have it in our generation, dog, to kill a nigga.
Shit, our generation.
Yeah, we do, bro. It's in our blood. If it's in grandpa, it carries with Aaron.
Grandpa's a different generation.
Yeah, but who's their son? Aaron, Edwin. Those niggas, you. Yeah, but who will pull the trigger? I would, nigga. Yes, I would, nigga. I'm popping it like a Hershey, nigga. A Hershey. Huh?
What the fuck?
What the fuck? I thought you could write this. But you can't.
What just happened?
What happened?
That's killed me, right? I was teammates pulling up on me. Where you at?
What the fuck? Oh, there's a buried chest right here. Many.
Yes. I'm gonna die. We're supposed to be hiding this bitch.
Dude, I can't get up.
No.
Dude, right here. Oh my god. Yo, hurry up. Get it. What the fuck? Oh, hell nah. Oh, a holofar? What the fuck? This is a new one. Yo, what the fuck is this? A holofoil. Yo, let's go to the other one, Minnie. Come on, Harry. It's over here. Yo, what the fuck? I'll give you this one. Yo, what the fuck was that? It was a holofor. Go, huh?
Thanks for showing your portal.
I already did. Here. What the fuck? A gummy! Yo, you don't want it? Holy shit. Nigga, I never seen none of these. Holy shit. Nigga's gonna be like, how the fuck you find that? Nigga, what the fuck you mean? Get that other one, Manny. Get that other one for yourself now.
Look at this one, goldfishy.
A goldfishy? What? There's more. They're outside the map.
How the fuck we get around it? I'm gonna just stay back here.
Oh my god. Oh my god. I just found those.
There's 4 teams left.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Oh my god. Striker, strike me in the ass. He said, this is my last game. God damn, Manny! No, the market! God damn! FaceTime Manny! God damn! Oh my fucking god! Oh my god! The market is selling off so crazy right now.
To the downside. This is the 44, so this is where the candles are going to finish. We probably are going to have to update this as we continue to get this thing to sell off. I still need to update this box. I don't want a border. Yes, just like that. Do not like having a border on my box. Do you mean, darling? Do you mean? I mean, hey, the sellers are doing the thing here. Opening print for the top of the 15-minute range is around the 200s, and we're getting now down towards the 762s. So right away, a 450-point sell-off is no joke. No joke. Don't fade that. We up, baby. Let's fucking go. Come on, Santi. If only this was on the live. If it was, you would not have held, though. 632, next 4-hour level down here. 700 would be 50%. 700 would be 50% of the buying of the micron earnings. Yeah, could be interesting. 15th minute there, just snapped through the bottom of the 15-minute range. Oh no, wait, this is still the 14th. Gotta update it. All right, so the low of our 15 minutes is officially down at the 749s. Now the buyers still on the 15th minute. If we come back up into this EMA around the 9s, I'll probably try to short. Apple's down 5%. Crazy, Santi. W's, let's go. Definitely W's. Santi's about to get paid down to the 5. Would you say 559? Is that what we're looking for, King? 559 is what Santiago is seeking. Hey, I love it. The only thing that makes that a little scary is that 600 level. You got to get through there. But honestly, with this pressure right now, anything could happen. There we go with the 15th minute, breaking through the bottom of the 15-minute range, getting some volume. We'll see what happens here. The most contracts traded since opening print candle. So we could potentially get a reversal here. My eye is itchy. You know what's crazy, guys? I've been, I'm 26 years old. Never had any allergies whatsoever. But now being in my job where I'm around like a flower and a pollen every single day for hours and hours and hours, and I have been for 4 years now, I can feel myself developing an allergy. And now I wake up, my eye itches, my nose will itch. I'll be like stuffy and, like reactive for the first couple, first hour I'm awake, and then I'll start like stabilizing. Super weird. Like I've just never experienced allergies, so lame as fuck. NASDAQ though, wow. Look at the volume that came through there and just getting complete continuation. Still getting a lot of contracts traded. It's about 4,000 contracts. Crazy, just crazy to see. This contracts indicator is not the cleanest. I don't like that. Hey, look how I can't. This says 5,000, so I can read it here. But other than that, I have no idea. Like now, it's gonna restart at 120, and I don't know that that's 5K. I don't get to see how many contracts other than just a visual. But you can see that the buyers really just letting this thing just drip down. Look at this inversion on this hourly chart, all the way now down to the bottom. Santi's about to get paid. Let's fucking go. Once I build the buffer on Lucid, you best believe I'm holding swings on one of my accounts. Oh, I can't wait to watch it, King. You're gonna crush. Santi eating. Drop a W's. Come on, baby. Hey, is it easier to have a 1,400 drawdown to target 1,750 or 2,800 drawdown to target 44? Honestly, to be completely honest, 1,400 drawdown to target 1,750 is pretty doable. I would say that's far easier. 40% consistency rule. Yeah, I mean, I typically can trade a mini and save. You get 70 points there. I would typically trade a mini, and 1,400 it's pretty hard to find. Maybe not in these markets, but I would go with that. I mean, 2,800 drawdown is beautiful, but 4,400 obviously is just a bigger target. Yeah, I think to be honest, what would be easier is 1,400 to a 1,750 for Lucid. 40% consistency. 559. Tell me you just got paid. I just closed. Yes, you fucking did, Santi. Come on, baby. Come on. Absolutely crazy, Santi. I was thinking 1400 too. Thanks. Of course, K. Good luck, King. Want to see you crush. Discord, LOL. Let's fucking go. Yeah, here it is too. Absolutely insane. To half pass for the day, or it's to fully pass. Regardless, look at the fucking play. Crazy. That's volume. That is volume coming into the sell side. Finally blew all my accounts trying to catch reversal. Fuck, Matrix. Sorry, King. Hate hearing it, baby. But you did just grab some payouts. Keep that consistency. Keep your confidence high and do it again, King. I love my sellers. Yes, she does, Queen. Did you join them? Did you get in with these cats to the sell side? It's tough now that we bounced down in towards these, like, you know, 550s. I mean, that, I feel like I want to join them, but it's tough to just know a good price to do it. 700 could be a decent try. I'd prefer 750 bottom of the 15-minute range. I feel like we probably won't give me that opportunity. But if we did, darling, that'd be quite nice. You know what I mean? Do you know what I mean, darling? What do you have? We have $1,500 in drawdown, and we need to make 50% consistency, so we need to make 4,500 bucks. So really nothing changes. I guess we try. We try 2 contracts here if we get it. I don't know if we're going to get up to that bottom of the 15. I feel like the EMA is going to be the sticky spot. 690s. I can't really afford it. So I can do 1 contract and try that. Try 1 contract here, and if we come back up into there, I'll do it. So that's what I'll do. I'll do sell 1, limit sell 1. It just feels like we're going to come up higher. But I'll try it. Limit sell 1 at the EMA. And then if I get filled, and we end up getting drawdown into the bottom of the 15, I'll try another one there. That's what we're looking at here, family. Nah, I'm starting a new account 1st of July, just paper trading. Hey, I love it, Queen. Keeping yourself active. That's what I love. You're still here, being a part of the community. Keeping your skills sharp, like we talked about. Good morning, fam. Welcome in, Matthew. 140 left on combines. Just 1 trade, bro. 140 left on combines. You got a top ticket, baby. Got a top ticket. Don't be too married to it. It is just an eval, but you can do this shit. Feels like this EMA was our turning point. Looks like we're going to be heading lower here. I'm looking. I got to now cancel my order as the EMA is curled through my price. I no longer would like my entry. And now my new entry would be 2 contracts at the bottom of the 15 if we get there. But right now the sellers are in control, keeping suppression below the EMA. Looks like we're going to be heading back towards lows, which is just a crazy candle. I mean, 56s. This candle alone is 100 points. This candle right here is 100 points. 656 to the 540s, 100-point candle. Just feeding opportunities. Absolutely insane. Today's the day to make some money, family. This whole week's been a week. The volatility's been here, and I feel like a part of it, as a trader, we should be capitalizing on volatility and getting paid. So I'm a little sad that I haven't been able to do that, just because, again, as a trader, this is how you make your whole year. But here we are, family. Here we are. 43, 36, 30. I should get the rest right. You need $100. I would try to get closer, Santi. Yeah, I mean, you got all the profit. Should have held this cat. We're down, way down. But yeah, I would hold a little bit long. I'd go get your last $100. You know, trade a micro or something just for fun. Get that rest of that balance. That way you can actually half pass. Crazy inversion down here though, down towards these 5s, and it feels like we have to go lower. I mean, this thing could have wick up nastily for sure. Not really what you want to see in terms of the overall direction of the market. This thing looks pretty bearish. And sellers are just having their 1K. 150K eval. Yeah, it's a 150K eval. So we can half pass with 4,500. He's 150 shy of that, roughly. Crazy. Just crazy to watch this right now. Where's that man boss? He's going to say he's long soon. He's going to say order flow. He's going to say order flow, king. He said long coming. Just kidding. I would be hesitant to be a long right now, family, to be honest. I love it, though. Let's fucking go, Santi. Actually... He said almost long. Oh, he did get long at 9:44, so that's not. It's fine. Waited for a candle close 8 minutes. Tough, boss. Tough right now, King. See what the buyers are doing down here. Right now, we're just, inverting all of Micron. The entire earnings move has just been inverted. This is a box, family. Like, look at this square. Bink, 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 bink. It's 2 fucking right angles. 2 right angles. When do we do that? Gross. Gross. It's hard to join the selling now that we're so deep. But obviously being a buyer is way more risky. So if you want to be the most protected, join the sell side. Wait for a good pullback and get a good price. But be patient, guys. Obviously the volatility is there. The opportunity is there. But hard to say. Hard to catch either direction right now. Hard to say, baby. We are living through history every single day. Every day, Santi. Isn't that crazy? Every day something new happens that never has before. We're experiencing it all together. I fucking love it. We're privileged. We're blessed. NASDAQ just dropping away, family. 196s. We're now 170 points off from a 1,000-point drop. We've dropped down 100 and fucking wow. 160 points away from a 1,000-point drop. We're 840 points off from the high. What the fuck is happening? NASDAQ now down 0.5% after being up 2% today. What the fuck? I gotta text my boy. I don't know. Tim, are you in here? I'll wait to see if he is. Thomas, are you in here and tell me you're catching this fucking short to make the money? I just read a few years ago. I read just a few years ago, New York Open would only be like 40 points. Now look at it, LOL. I know, Santi. You know what's crazy? I was thinking about this too. Like, as we go higher and higher and higher, like imagine a 50,000 NASDAQ, and they'll say like, oh, we're in a 1% move. Well, 1% move in the 50,000 NASDAQ is 500 points, right? So it's like, we're going to only experience more and more and more, and it's going to just get crazy because, like, you catch a 1% move in NASDAQ now, or in the 50,000 NASDAQ days, we're going to be making so much more money than they even could with like a 10% move. It's just fucking crazy to think about. All the insiders taking profits. That's very possible. That's probably what's happening, Max. Your boy is Thomas, mine is too, LOL. Yes, sir, Timmy Netto. I call him Thomas. We call him Thomas, Timmy, T-Nads. He said a couple names. Doesn't sound like he's in here, though. I think he would have commented. 250s would be insane. 250s would be a fucking sell-off. Looking like it's possible. I caught the short up 3.6 for the day. Definitely done. Absolutely done, Kay. You can't look for nothing else after that, Queen. Come on. New York Open is so volatile. You really need to be like 90% of your entry because you will get blown. Yeah, she's insane. So proud of you, though, Kay. Let's fucking go, Queen. I'm going to try to catch this ride up, 0.0. You want this ride up at the 355s? What tells you? All right, he didn't comment, so I'm gonna text him. Of course, Queen. Well deserved. You did that. Proud of you. It's fucking amazing. There's 30 people watching, family. This is episode 299, and there's 29 of you watching. Could we show some love? Get to our 30 like stream goal. Tomorrow, we're going to have Pat on for our 300th episode. Be doing some giveaways. It's going to be a really exciting day tomorrow. I'm excited to just hang out with the family, chill out. Obviously, the market seeming to be providing opportunities, so we're probably going to be sniping some entries, but for the most part, we're going to be giving away some accounts tomorrow, hanging out with Pat, checking on him, how he's doing. And yeah, just celebrate as a family as we're episode 300. So it's gonna be crazy. Episode 300 gonna be fucking crazy. 30% of 1,000. Come on, episode 1,000. What's that look like? We're gonna definitely be in a new location. Puerto Rico, maybe. I don't know. W evals giveaway. Yes, sir. Work. You know it. Hope I win one, man. I'm gonna need one. LOL to have fun. Hey, work. You been around, King. Oli, I stepped away for a minute. The sell-off is nuts. They're down 1,000 points almost, Sauce. Not quite yet. We're holding a little bit now at these 370s. 160 points. 160 points off from a 1,000-point sell-off. I don't like this as a pivot point. Just hit me break even. Be cautious. As I'm saying, these sellers are fucking moving. Sellers are just doing it. What's up, family? East Coast, what up, King? How many accounts are you giving away? I'm not sure yet. Not sure yet at all. Haven't thought about it too much, but I just want to give some away. I don't know. Also, we got to decide which ones we want to give away. Which accounts do y'all want to see? Which accounts do you guys want to have? Can't be there tomorrow. Getting my leg tatted. Danny, I'll put your name in the raffle no matter what, Queen. If you win, you win. Good luck on your tat, though. I'm excited for you. Finishing getting a sleeve. What are you getting done? Amen, baby. Tomorrow gonna be a good day. I'm gonna have the blunt ready for tomorrow. Yes, sir. Work. It's gonna be a lot of fun tomorrow. King, newbie. Come on, Queen. Welcome in. Tell me you're catching some of this sell-off right now and getting paid. How do we get in the raffle, fam? It's gonna be on. It's just gonna be, you know, if you're in the comments and hanging out, or if I fucking an OG and I know you, I'll have you in the raffle as well. It's just gonna be a spinning wheel, and we'll do the giveaway, and we'll make it happen. East Coast, though, you're on our side of the. I think I've seen your name a couple times. Which state, King? Tradify accounts. Give it all away. War chest. Let's go. Who blew the pooch? The market just died. I know, she's absolutely falling away from us. Absolutely dying. No way, Sauce. What are you getting? He's getting his hand tatted. Or no, not his hand, but he's looking to get a tattoo. Sauce, he's getting a second tat. Is gonna be fucking amazing from Hunter too. That's badass, bro. Did you send a picture, Sauce? Send the picture to the chat of what you're trying to get. Tradify accounts. Yeah, we'll decide tomorrow. Tradify sounds pretty nice. Tradify, lucid, something. I'm finishing my leg up, mostly filler. Made some apexes. Fillers are awesome. I took a break, lol. Yeah, happens, King. It's good for us. No, I'm just watching in disbelief, lol. And me too. I mean, there's no entry. Right now, it's just falling off of us. Trying to come up with something for my son. Still working on it. What are you getting? My girlfriend just got a Medusa hand tattoo last week. Yeah, that was wild. Some lucid. I like them. You like lucid? You like them? I'm glad you like it, King. Flex is pretty clean. Look at that hourly candle close, family. It's official. It's in. From the high of the 217s down to the 302s. 80 points off from a 1,000-point sell-off. My God damn gracious. Ow! Now we gotta be patient. Buyers are gonna try to do something down here. Anything could happen. It's hard to just, you know, hard to fade lows, honestly. I mean, that can't. I mean, look at this box. Bink, bink, and bink. Just 90-degree angles. It's hard to. It's hard to, like, what the fuck is that? What? Nothing bad happened to your girl, Sauce. Medusa usually has a meeting as a tattoo, but I hope she just liked the design. Damn, I didn't know that either, Queen. It's got a meaning behind it. Hopefully she's doing well. She's doing some modifications right now. Nasdaq now trying to get back up into the 500s. Bouncing off the threes pretty clean. That's 200-point move, family. Like, literally, one contract is enough to make so much fucking money right now. So much fucking money right now. She feels connected to her in some way. How you doing today, Ty? Poppy, doing amazing, King. How are you? How you doing, brother May? How is it going for you too, King? I'm mini too scary right now, lol. Too scary, but so much fun.
Order filled.
You know what I mean? Just so much fun. I don't think she sees it as a negative, more to see like her as like a powerful woman. A woman men can't look at. And mini too scary right now. Oh, bro, the food looks crazy, man. Love me some man. Share a plate, man. What food are you talking about? Work. So true. I use 16 micros. 16 micros. Damn, Queen. Imagine if you held that thing. Woo! Could you send your phone number so Ty on Insta or something? I can send you pics of it. Go follow her on Instagram. Oh, you don't have Instagram. Got you. The IG food, I seen that you posted.
Stop filled.
Oh, you like that, King? Let's go. You're a homie. A little bit of steak, a little bit of beans. You know, low carb, healthy, protein. Come on.
Order filled.
Pretty much my daily plate right there, to be honest. Well, I can't wait to have our fucking. We all hang out. We can do some little barbecue, a little smoked action going on, some brisket, some shit going on. I'm in a long. D's long. Yo, where you looking at? Where's your entry? Good luck, King. Be very cautious. Fucking, you can make a lot of money for sure on both sides right now. So just refine your entries and do your thing, King. Good to have a good risk management. It's going good. Just got my classes for college. So expensive, lol. It's gonna cost me $8K. $8K is not too shabby, Bobby. Think about the investment, baby. Think about the investment. That's one payout, and you're about to get a semester of knowledge. As long as you utilize it, you'll be crushing. Yeah, sure. We'll send it to Ty. Word. I'll give it to demands. Half past my new evals. I'm done for the day. Matrix back like he never left. Hey, you blew some accounts trying to catch a reversal, and then you half passed, baby. That's literally what it's about. So proud. Bro, I don't ask much. Can we please turn up for me? I just passed my combines after 2 fucking months. Matthew! I need to get a fucking soundboard. I need to get like a... I need to get some fucking hype news sounds for when you hit good trades, when the community does bad shit. I fucking love it, Matt. Let's go. Come on, drop a W for that man. 2 months past his fucking combine, on his way to getting paychecks. Let's fucking go. Yo, this summer, if God lets us, I'm so down. If he lets us, I'm down too, King. Right, I had to get out. I could only feel my calmness shifting to oh my god mode. Had to protect the bag and not get greedy. No, that's the way to trade, Queen. Capitalize on the opportunity. Don't get greedy. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We need some fucking... I need to get a sound... I'm gonna buy a soundboard, fam. That's what I'm gonna do. Get a soundboard, and then all of our shit's gonna get more hype. You know, have like positive sounds for when shit goes good, bad sounds for when shit goes bad, and just make it exciting. 2 months is insane. Let's fucking go, Matthew. So proud, bro. Come on, baby. That's the hype that we need. That's the fucking hype that we need. NASDAQ selling off nearly 1,000 points, and our boy catching it. Literally 100 points. So 900 point sell off. And now we're trying to bounce back up to the 5s. Who knows where we get to? Where do we go? Where do we come from? Cotton Eye Joe. I'm going to try a short right here, I think, family. Me personally,
Order
I'm going to try one. Quick stop above the swing high here if I get entered. Tap me in there.
Order filled.
Order filled. Ah, yes. Order filled, darling. Stops are going to be above this wick. Don't want to see it get back up there. Limit. Stop by. Wait. Oh, I can just drag my stop loss like this. Nice. And then my
order
target.
filled.
This is a nice thing about Top Step. All right, I do like that. Looks like we may be losing some more of our liquidity.
Order filled.
You goddamn right we did, unfortunately. So now we have, you know, less than 1,000. Protected. Find a good entity. I don't like shorts. Order filled. You're wild, Ty. Nah, I like shorts. How do you fade this? Leaving equal lows below. It is tough with the hourly candle closing. We could come back up in the bottom of the 15-minute range, but I would absolutely not be looking for longs right now. I'm up 1,000.
Order filled.
Come on, dude. Good luck. Hold that, baby. 1 hour and 4 hour bottomed and held from yesterday. Yeah, but I mean, we left yesterday's low down. Like, look at this 90. I don't know. It could go either way right now. I'm gonna try a short with the volume. Try to find them. Just got Danny messaged me, so I will send this over to the man. To that man, Sausadelic. Get that man Sausadelic your number so he can show you that tattoo. It is really clean. Ooh, whoa. Why can't I copy this? Thank you. Saucy, I sent it in our chat, bud. I got smoked on that long though, can't even lie to you. WD, I love it. I got hit. I'm taking free trading. I got hit. I'm taking free trading. Free trading, baby. Come on. Come on, D. Keep crushing. It's my bedtime. Trade safely, fam. Take it easy, Queen. Proud of you. Good luck. Or congrats.
Stop filled.
Sleep on that W. It feels great. Thanks for being here. Excuse me. Episode 300 tomorrow, family. Choking on air over here. How exciting. Cannot wait. We're going to see what happens. Right now, the NASDAQ is just providing opportunity, so we'll see what happens. But yeah, we'll see what goes down. Hourly chart is trying to get a rebound off from the lows around the 300s, getting now up in towards the 6s. So a 300-point bounce. Crazy. There's 30 people watching, family. Can we get some love into the hype for tomorrow and even for today, of course, with the NASDAQ doing this? 30 likes is our stream goal. See if we can get there. I don't trust longs yet either, so I just passed my 5 throwaway combines because I was too spooked to take it on my funded accounts. Damn, Queen. Hey, but hey, half pass is a beautiful thing too, or fully pass. Just passed my 5. So yeah, you're in there, Queen. Love it. I don't know if I have it. If I was straight up funded right now, I would love the opportunity.
Yo, Dave, you seen that? I was scrapping longs off of 1 NQ.
We love the opportunity.
All right, one more, Dave. One more.
Hard to capitalize.
Order filled.
Let me see.
I don't trust these buyers though.
Let me see, Dave. You hear, yo, Dave, you hear Tyler? He said he doesn't trust the buyers, but you told him not to get in the long, in the short. Look right here.
Keep scrapping, King. Here we go.
Right there.
Order filled.
Let's fucking go! Let's go, Dave! Let's go! Duh! Let's fucking go. I was sad yesterday. Now I'm back today.
Before this high, I'm gonna try it again with stops above it. Obviously, the bottom 15-minute range at the 747.
I'm done for the day.
I guess you can never have 2 money funded accounts. Not today.
Bro,
not
Dave
today.
showed me this, guys. Look, I took this trade because of Dave. Oh my God, Dave showed me these. Look, Dave showed me these, and look at my zone. It bounced off of my zone. That's the reason why I took this trade, guys. Look, it bounced off of this zone. And look, Dave showed me this. Dave is the one that showed me this imbalance, chat. Look at that. They don't have none here. They don't have none here, right here. But look, on here, there's imbalances. And I took that trade because of Dave, man. Let's fucking go, Dave. Oh, Dave, I didn't see the chat the whole time. You're talking to me. Oh shit, my bad, bro. I'm looking at it now. You wiped out. Just hold it, dude. I warned him. All I could do is lock it out. Yo, you told him not to get in the short, huh? Look at this imbalance. And then look at my range. Look at my zone, bro. It's right on one of my zones. You don't want to fucking short that. Look at that. God damn, nigga. What kind of day are we having?
Right now. Hey, you got it. You grabbed it. You got out. That's all it's about right there, Queen. These sellers are on something. They're on something. Someone's into some knowledge that I don't have, that they are able to find in these shorts. WD. Thanks. Of course, brother. Get your money back. Yeah, get my money from MFF. The only prop firm that has not paid me more than I have paid them. Lame. How about you just give me it? Free donation. That'd be appreciated. Thank you. Up into the 700s here. Feels like an opportunity that we could reject more. The bottom of 15 feels pretty decent as well. A little bit cleaner, honestly. I don't know. I made 1500 on the long. 15 minutes, it made a double bottom, and it was my zone. That was a great buy. It's a great entry, Dave. D, I'm proud of you, King. I'm done for the day. Also, I gotta go wish a young lady happy 97. What? Wish her one for me too, King. That's amazing. I love it, Dave. My grandmother's sister. Beautiful young lady at 97. What a blessing.
Hey Siri.
She is seeing some shit.
Call mom on speaker.
NASDAQ when she was playing like our age. She'd be rich as fuck, son.
All right, be safe, Dave. Have fun.
I guess at that point, you would trade every single dollar you ever have for more time. Truly. Which is why people say time is money. Time is not money. Money is nothing compared to time. We trade all of our money for time. If I gave you $1 billion, but you only had 1 day left with it, You wouldn't take the deal. You wouldn't take the money. You know what I mean? Because it's not worth the same. 97, what an age. Health is wealth. Absolutely, queen. Into the EMA here. Buyers trying to see if they can get some continuation. Sellers saying, actually, I really like these 690s to be defended. So now we're going to wait and see what happens. If we get a pullback up into an opportunity for sellers, I don't mind it backing around the zone. But seeing the pressure here makes me think the fun could be over for the buyers for the short term. At least down in towards these 495s or so. Average financially and healthy, if I had to choose. Absolutely. No question. I would always take my health over my finances. It's the #1 currency. You can enjoy every aspect of life way deeper with health than you ever could with money and unhealthy. But if you have both, that's the real health. That's the real mission here, family. Take your health, take your finances to have you build a healthier lifestyle, and then just fucking be happy. Smile. Drink some sun, you know what I mean? Average financially, instead of rich in 5 years to live. Exactly. 100% agree with you, queen. Could not agree more, Danny. Into the 600s. I can't afford it if I try this short and I'm wrong, but I want to be a seller here. I can't afford it if I am wrong, darling, but I want to be a seller here. Trying it. Trying it. This candle inverting is a pretty good entry for me. Start giving these bearish candles a chain together. The sell side looks very possible. See if I can afford it. See if we find some love here. Nice sauce. We can send pictures on there too. Why don't you just text her, Goo? No, because why wouldn't we go tap me in after I put my order at the 65s? Why wouldn't we get a fill? Like, we wouldn't, right? We wouldn't. No, because, like, we wouldn't. You know what I mean? I'd already be up almost 2,000. Pretty good. 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 Oh, pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. Yeah. No problem. Yeah. I made a 3D brain. I'm gonna post it in Discord. I'll show it once you do, King. It's badass, D. We are not the same. We are not sure if it costs anything because we are in different countries and WhatsApp is free. They may cost money since we are different countries to send a photo. Crazy. No, that's crazy. No. That's crazy good. That's crazy good. Holy shit, into the 480s. Do I still want to be a seller down here? Part of me does, to be honest. I'm going to try it with a stop above the high. Text in general. Got you. So it'd be weird that you can send a DM, like you can message someone on social media, which is free online, but you can't send them a fucking text message. Wouldn't that be just weird? Wouldn't that just be a strange thing? We'll see if these sellers are really gonna respect us here. And I mean, let's see if we get some respect, you know? Really, if I wanted to be smart, I'd stop out above this high. Problem is, anything could happen. We could get schmurdered. Shorts look a little risky here. Ain't gonna hold you. want to see back towards these lows, realistically. Need to see a good candle closure down here. Otherwise, we could easily just get schmurdered. Need to see these sellers start picking the pressure back up. Get back through this low. Don't wick out. Don't be weird. I'm just gonna wick out. Go flash our price a couple more times before finding lower. This is the thing now, Zach. Cause I know how you act, and you're just a bully. Because like I wanted in earlier and you didn't let me in, and now you're gonna go ahead and dick around at the low and not really break the low and tease me out, and then I'm gonna get out because I had to protect myself, and then I'm gonna get murdered. There we go, break even. Oh yeah, no, I know how you are. It's fine. No, I mean I know how you are. It's all good. Try one more right here then. How about that? Kept me outside. How about that? Kept me outside. How about that? Now I want to see this candle invert. Oh, it's not inverting. It's not inverting, family. Not good.
Order filled.
Fuck. Well, Dems is done. Alright, alright, alright. What's the play, family? What is the play, family? Do we load up more accounts? I feel like Apex is a good try for today since they are... We're getting so much points you could make the 3,000 pretty quickly, even with a trailing drawdown. Is that what we do, family? Do we try to make it past some Apex accounts right now since we can, since they're so cheap? Is that a good play or no? They're 90% off right now, and the points are moving so much we could, excuse me, pass them in one day. I think that's what we're going to try. Let's go, Santi. Made your last little cabbage. Come on, King. All right, we're going to go for it. I mean, pocket. I mean, pocket. We didn't get this far by making it this far. 50K trade evade, end of day trail. No. 50K trade evade, intraday trail. Yes. Good. Yes. We're going to have 20 this time. I don't know why we keep getting fucked with 19, 17. No. 50K trade evade, intraday trail, 5-pack. All right. All right. 50K intraday trade evade trail, 5-pack. I agree. Continue. 95 beans. $95 beans times 4 is what we're going for here. So what is that? $380 to get these bad boys running. Okay, 50K trade evade, intraday trail. All right, 5-pack. I agree. I comply. I signed my rights to my first child away. I request him access. I agree to your terms. And we're going at it. And that is number 2. So that's 20 that we just bought. Or no, 10. I really like the 5-pack, all right? That's very nice of you guys because it makes it much more easier on me, okay? 50K intraday trade evade trail. Perfect. 5-pack. I have read and agreed to all your terms. You can name my first child and have access to all of their money. Pay now. That's 3. 1 more to go. Of course, we're going to go back up to this high one more time and then sell off. Can I get my account quickly so I can short this, please? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, man. Come on, man. Oh, let me in. Don't you fucking do it. Hold on. Gotta go quickly here. I have no chance if I didn't do it. I should have done this earlier. God damn it. God damn it, Tyler. God damn it. She's gonna sell off without me, isn't she? I don't want to look. Oh my gosh, she's about to. No. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Please. Please don't. No. To wait for the accounts to be created. They take time. Wait a couple more minutes here. Santiago. Bro, buy these this time. No sell, bro. Buy. Panda. Look at the sells, though. You know what I'm saying? I bet we get lower here. I post my charts in my 3D painted brain in the Discord. Let's go check them out. Here's these charts while we wait for trade of 8. So we're coming up into some zones here. Finding some support at these 60s. He thinks we could push out of here. Who knows? Feeling a little bit more bearish, but we'll see. And you can see this inversion, which makes me think that we are getting behind some buy side, honestly, on this chart. What is this? The 15? 15 looks a little bit more bearish, bullish, and the 5 looks a little bit more bearish. So, interesting. And then the man said he showed us his brain. No way. D, that looks fucking amazing, bro. Look a little. What is that? Dude, this looks fucking insane, dude. Hell yeah, king. Alright, before you buy, look at the zones or sell. Yeah, I seen that. I saw your zones there. Makes those spots look a little bit more protected. Let's go see if we can sign in now and get our accounts. Let's see. You know, I wouldn't expect nothing crazy. Control V, show password, control copy. Ah! Sorry, family. Yes. Get me in, yes. Yes, man, it feels good to be back on this. I said we'll drop our 15-minute range, although it does feel, this just feels better, family. I ain't gonna hold you. I just can't hold you about it. Down into the bottom of the 15, which is here. Like, I want to hold you about it, but I can't. You know what I mean? No, they're not even all in here. Why are you so fucking like that? God, I gotta log out. Try it again. Like, why are you like that? Just give me my shit. I just paid for it. Yeah, it still only has 10. Oh, I'm gonna tweak. Bye. I'm up 2,500 now. Let's go, Panda. You would have almost passed the evals, King. Damn, not the Insta. Instagram and Facebook, they took my new accounts again. I'm gonna look into the lawsuit because it's affecting my business. By the way, guys, all my meta got banned again. Don't know why. D, what the fuck are they? Why? It's insane. You should be able to do something about that because they actually are affecting you. The payout now, baby. Come on, Panda. Get that payout, King. Love seeing it, brother. Keep crushing. Keep crushing. Hopefully we can find and follow your ways. We have 15 of the accounts. You need to wait a couple more minutes here. I want to short this fucking... Oh! You're making me sad now, Zach. You're really making me sad. It's good. Thanks, bro. Of course, King. Well deserved. Keep crushing. Love seeing a king eat. That's what I like. My favorite thing about this game, too, family, is like... Any other business, typically, there's competition. But with trading, every single one of us can eat. And that's just, it's a beautiful thing that we get to create here. Just nothing but W's all around as a family. Usually it's only one. Not this time. Come on, refresh. Give me my 20 accounts. Fuck, dude. Making me be patient over here. I mean, right now the buyers are not wanting this thing to get above, or the sellers are not getting above the 680s. Refresh. Give me accounts. 15 still. I'm like begging to get my accounts just to blow them. You know what I mean? Oh no, my camera's gonna die. What the frick? Look at that, it's laggy. Woo. It's like a little bit laggy. It's not too bad, but it's laggy. Please be careful. Don't worry now. Oh, I'll be careful. I'll be careful. I'll mess around and blow these things. All right, they're in. They're in. They're in. They're in. They're in. They're in. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'm like foaming at the mouth just to go in here and blow them. Take my money. Take my money. Yeah. Manage groups. Yeah. 50Ks. Yeah. Put them all in there. Yeah. Get them in there. Get them in. Go. Families in my 400. This is my 20th try at these accounts. Crazy, eh? My 20th freaking try. 20 accounts. Come on. Intraday trailing, so we have to be sniping. I have to be careful. Because the market now will be very bad. It's possible. It's very possible, King. Anything could happen, huh? You're right, though. The conditions have reduced significantly at this point, in general. I love that you can show 100 people a chart and they will tell you 100 different things. It's the beautiful thing about this game, Santi. We all have our own little take on the world. I'm interested in being a short at these 26s. I ain't gonna hold you. I am. Nope, I'm just gonna tell you the truth. Let's go look at these charts one more time. Just make sure, you know. I ain't being too silly. D, what's the show? It's the 620. This is
Order filled.
Oh! Sorry, we're tapped in, family. We gotta be top ticking this. Unfortunately, I don't get to like be too patient because, you know, drawdown and all that. Intraday trailing and all that. Let's see this thing start respecting us. Fortunately, we have lost more of our drawdown immediately off that. Give me a good candle closure here for the bear side. I don't even know if I can afford at the top of this range, unfortunately. Give me a good candle closure for a bearish back towards that EMA. Unfortunately, family, we have to top tick the shit out of this. No ifs, ands, or buts. So we gotta be dialed in. I just want to see this thing start trying to sprint to the low side for us. Good candle closure. We're now maximizing our drawdown. Gotta be careful here. Shit could get dangerous. Another flick at it. So now we just lost 500 in drawdown. So back to break even. That reduced our entry by, you know, what? 25 points? 20 points? See, now we only have 1,000 bucks. We only have 50 points from here now. Uh-oh. Buyers. 700. We only have, what, 30 points from there at the 80s. We have to the 80s. Oh, no. I mean, at this point, I think the safest thing to truly do is let this account go, or let these go, because I have these wicks up here stopping us. It feels like they want to flash through it to go to the bottom of the 15-minute range, though, unfortunately for me. It does feel as though that's the possibility here. Oh, yeah.
Order filled.
Oh, yeah, no, because fuck me, right? We get flashed 1,000 points in profit, and then it just smashes us. Amazing. Just amazing. I have to top tick, and some of these are going to bust as well. Fuck, dude. Ah! Why did you see it? Did you see the brains? I did see the brains. No, now, man, it's bad. Don't. Please, the market is long now. Oh, Panda. You were right. buy no sell. Just saying this is not where it reverses, but if you need to top tick, why not wait for an extension and exhaustion? I mean, I see an extension. I see an attempt through a level. I see a rejection. I see a second attempt, another rejection, an imbalance, and a respect towards this imbalance. So check this, see this imbalance. Try to get through this wick, rejection. Try to get through the wick again, another rejection, and then a retest towards the imbalance. I like that short. I really, 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 really do. I really, really, truly do. What do you mean, D? He posted in the Discord a big old beautiful brain. Big old beautiful brain. Another rejection here so far. Did that get to the bottom of the 15? It didn't. I don't know. Tricky to say. Hard saying not knowing, you know what I mean? This is the only prop where you can lose $1,000, but really lose your whole head on them. And now look, we're right back to our break even. It's just so good. It's so good. It's so good. Feels like they want higher. At least into the VWAP. Ty showed it on stream. Oh wow, that's insane. She did. She liked it. She doesn't have Discord. She does. She's in the Discord channel, D. She does. She does. I mean, double confluences would be the VWAP bottom of the 15-minute range. I kind of don't mind it at all. Problem is, oh, and a really big imbalance on the nodes. That's actually very nice. Fortunately, I have the top ticket or bottom ticket, whatever. However you spin the biscuit, you know what I mean? However you drop that cat. Which means I might try to buy this price. Unfortunately, we have the top ticket or bottom ticket. In my eyes, it seems like you're trying to top tick a breakout candle. The one you join on, in my eyes, is the one that broke that short-term range. I mean, technically, I got in before the breakout because this is the one that broke out of that short-term range. Unless you mean, yeah, I don't know. I mean, I see a supported line by one of the sides, and then a double rejection of it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. If it gets worked, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't, guys. I mean, that's the thing. That's the thing here. Now you did. You're right. My eyes are shot. LOL. It looked like you were short the white candle. I mean, she came in right after, so I pretty much shorted the pre-breakout, but this could have been the breakdown as well. So I mean, it's one of those beautiful things. If this, then that. If not, then what? And this time I said, actually, we're gonna go break through this range and then possibly go find VWAP. It's like, duh. It's like, yeah, that makes sense. Oh, never mind. VWAP is not that low. Okay, even better. Excuse me. Now I try to be a buyer here, I get smacked. For sure. I've been watching you for a long time. You're very good. You just need patience. You want revenge, and that's bad. The market isn't good these days. I appreciate it, Panda. I mean, some days I'm definitely more revengeful than others. You know, sometimes I want my money back. Today, I don't really feel like that. Today, I'm just taking an opportunity where you see one. And, I mean, I'm not technically... I mean, I was wrong technically on timing, but... Again, this could have been the high. This could have been this previous spot where I got short could have easily been a top tick. Instead, we go up to test the top of the range one more time. But one of the things you just never know until you don't know. You know what I'm saying? It's one of the beautiful things about trading. Truly, truly, truly. Truly is one of those beautiful things about the game that we're playing in. None of it really makes sense. But you just try to make it make sense in your brain and play the game. And he is already so much better at revenge. Normally he would just let the account go out of spite. Yeah, that was the original Tyler there. I would be like, hey, fuck you, NASDAQ. I'm gonna just take my money. I don't care. No, but now we try. We do try. No, I mean, hey, I'll say it. I've said it. I am absolutely far from perfect, family. I'm just a normal dude trying to do the same thing y'all are. Just showing you the process. That's the only difference. I'm showing you guys what it's like doing it, and sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not. Again, I mean, look at our price. That could have easily been a top tick. Instead, we had to go through test this range one more time, which, you know, you never know when you don't know. You never know what you don't know, but you do know that it's not what I wanted. So yeah, y'all get to see it in first person. I'm gonna try it though. I mean, I have to top tick, unfortunately, so I have to really make sure ooh, there she goes. Okay, okay, Nasdaq, sure. She's probably gonna break through this time then. There's no way we get up to VWAP, right? I mean, there's just actually no chance, right? Right? I don't know, right? I don't know, guys, right? Fuck, I don't know, right? My camera's dying. I kind of want to get the other battery, but I also don't because I need it for tomorrow. So might as well just let it charge. I mean, it's not charging, but I guess I could charge them both. Yeah, I'll do that. I'll be right back. I don't like how it's lagging for the next 20 minutes. I'll be right back, guys. Wow. I like that. All right. Well, you guys are gonna. I don't know what's gonna happen because it won't let me deactivate it, even though I have it deactivated. So it might be weird here. We're gonna find out. All right. I don't know why the battery died either, because it shouldn't have fucking. That shouldn't have happened. I think I broke it. Uh-oh, guys. I think I might have broke it. Oh, no. Just the worst outcome possible. Why isn't it working? Oh no, guys. Did I break it? What? Why? What? Why? Configure. Oh, this isn't good. This isn't good. Video capture device. Yes. Add existing. Sony 1. Yes. Oh, hi family. I don't know why this is happening. I suppose we can try to fix it though. Ooh. Whoa, why do I look so stretched? Not good. Not what I wanted. Okay, then let's make this bigger. Okay. Put me where I belong. I mean, this will do. It's not the way it normally looks, is it? I don't know. It looks weird, right? No, it does look weird. Why is it? Oh, it's because that's why. Duh. Oh, that one. Wait. What is happening? Oh my god, I broke it again. Hey! Hello. Hello. Alright. Did we right? Were we wrong? Oh, we want to test the high one more time. So our price, so I mean, hey, you weren't wrong. We did get a bad price. What'd you break, Ty King? Long at the 260.04s. Long at 404. You're a freak. You're a freak. Give me your fucking knowledge. I love it. Let's fucking go, boss. You're an absolute freak. Hey, looks like we were gonna be right, just impatient. We were right, but early, so we were totally wrong. Yeah. We were right, but just wrong. We were right, but early, so we were totally wrong. Stop on entry. Hey, I love it. I think you have a good support down there. We're at least going to find some action back at the 4s. TP to VWAP. Boss, right now we're getting schmurdered. This is all I wanted. This is all I wanted, NASDAQ. I just wanted you here. And you got to go up and just fake out these mofos one more time. And I was one of those mofos. I got faked one more time. I mean, fuck. Hard love, but if you size down, you could still be right. That hurts. No, you just offended me. The thing is, you're not wrong, but the thing is also, how the fuck could I ever do that? You know what? How could I ever do that on a day like I have to make 3,000 on a top tick? What I need 50. So wait, I need 20 contracts and I need to go 5. So it'd be 100. So I need to do 100 minis, which would be 5 per, which is like, giving me a slight chance here. But not really. I might as well just top tick it. The thing is, right? To refine our edge. No, I just needed to be, at the end of the day, I just needed to be either correct or I needed to try this high. If I was correct, then we get paid. If I tried this high, I could have held through that same drawdown. So really the problem was I just didn't try. I traded the wrong level. Size was fine, Santi. I just got into the wrong entry. Hey, I'm selling 3D prints. Anything you want, hit me up. That's the man to go to if you need them. You don't need to make any amount of money. You just need to find a good entry and trade the structure. You told me this. That's what I'm trying to say, though. Technically, my sizing wasn't my problem. My entry was. Even though I really like this short setup, again, I would take this again and again. I might even try the same fucking price right now, to be honest with you. But it was just that they wanted to test the level above. I wanted this price. They wanted to test this one. If I would have taken that same trade with this level instead of this level, that drawdown would not have busted me. It would have been like, what, $800 in drawdown. And then it would have been respect, and then paid. So it wasn't the size. None of it was the problem. Just my entry was. I should have got in where I got out. I should have got in I should have technically, in hindsight, but instead of trying this trade, the thing was to try the same setup, same size, everything, just at this high instead, and it would have played so far. But I hear what you're saying. I do love what you're saying. And you do not need to. You don't need anything in the market. Just take good setups, and the rest plays out. 100% true. You onto it for that. Buy something to put on the bat of your wall for the stream, bro. We would love it. Right behind me. I right now have the world. I don't know what I put it to. Well, that goes back to what I said. But Santi, how about size? How would I ever know that this, I'm just wrong about this level? It's not the size that's the problem. I mean, I guess if I wanted to ensure, but at the same time, it's like, if I'm wrong here, I'm wrong here. If I'm right, I'm right. And if it goes to the next level, it goes to the next level. This trade was just wrong with these current accounts. By the way, had I not be in intraday accounts, I would have absolutely held through that drawdown and I would have been paid. So I'm just on it's number one, it's the accounts, because I have intraday trailing. So I got stopped out way earlier than I normally would. I'm only down 1,100 here. We have $2,000 in drawdown. I would have been fine. So the sizing wasn't bad for that. The level that I just decided to respect, it's tough. I hear what you're saying, but I don't think you're fully seeing what I'm saying. Maybe you are, and maybe you get it, and maybe you're just right, and it's oversized. I will not say oversized. Again, the setup is this. Everything is fine except the entry. They went to the next level above. That's it. That's trading. This could have been a top tick, and then we're having a completely different conversation. what I'm saying? Of course it wasn't. So right now you look correct because I did get sized out. And maybe you're accurate with saying the sizing because on these intraday trailing, I have to be more precise with my entries. But again, that means the real fault here was just my entry. It wasn't the size. You know what I mean? Because if I took this entry at least this high where my stop was, oh my god, look at these buyers. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna lose the last little bit of my money right here. 681 short. You're making me type too much. I get it.
Order filled.
It's all good, brother. Order flow, king. Always order flow, boss. You 100% right, brother. Soon. You're gonna get me soon. Damn. That was
Order
fun.
filled. Order filled. Order filled.
We'll try again tomorrow. Santi, I still am interested in what you're saying, so if you want to type it out, I'd love to hear it. If you don't, I get it. See, but this would have been the safer entry, right? I didn't have the drawdown, and so maybe it's because of size. But this is gonna look like I could be respected right here. Cause like I just couldn't hop in voice chat after stream. I can if I do get out right now, but I really gotta go unfortunately for work. I also have to let my editor know I cannot meet today. For me, it's just the entry is wrong. Sizing is consistent for me. Yeah, I try to be consistent. I just took a bad entry. And that's just what it is. I mean, that's just what it is. Because what? I need 150 points, one contract to pass these accounts in one move. If I would have shorted the top of this range, within 680s, did we see the 530s? No, so I would have been wrong anyway. Because it didn't get down to where I wanted to go. And now here we go. VWAP incoming. Order flow. Boss. Order flow. Come on. Get up there for the man. The level didn't hold and the candles have a hell of a lot of ticks in them. They look normal, but they're expensive as hell. Yeah, they did. I mean, it looks normal, but it's obviously a lot more volatile. Hey, I mean, we had to try. We had to try to send some accounts on this day because if you were able to find fucking, one of the pushes, you can get paid. Here we go, VWAP. Boss, you're a fucking legend. All right. Actually, Santi, I think I can hop in there right now. Are you in voice chat? Go hop in there right now. See if I can hear you while we're on stream. It could be cool. You can explain yourself. See if it pops up. I can't short. We're out of counts. We're out of love. We're out of luck. We done and dusted. We got burned. But that man's going to crush and get his VWAP pay order. Boss, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. You've been on fucking fire lately, man. He's in there. Yo, can you hear me, King? Oh wait, hold on. I don't think you can. Can you hear me, King? Santi?
Hello?
Oh, I can hear you, brother. What's up?
What's up, bro? I can't talk too loud. My lady's sleeping behind me.
You go to here. Hold on a second. I'm gonna turn my music down so I can hear you better. See if the stream can pick you up. All right. So yeah, you want to explain the sizing?
It's like all I'm saying is like again like it's all subjective, right? Trading is very subjective, but like to me, especially in the conditions that you're trading a what is it, a intraday account. Like, you have to be very, very precise on your entries, like you're already saying, and you needing a top tick short. To me, like in my eyes, again, everyone sees the chart differently, but like you were shorting the middle of a range, right? To me, like all I'm seeing is those two big wicks right there on the left. Yeah, left. Yeah, those the top of those two. Yeah. So like to me, like if I was gonna try a short, I would only try a short there, and it would be like small size. So like to me, like the biggest thing is especially like and again like I'm speaking out of my ass because I don't really trade trailing accounts, but like to my knowledge is you have to be able to weather the storm, and it's like if you're going in of a small size, you're able to weather the storm if you're wrong, and then always size in if you want to like average again like you're risking the account like it's whatever you're trying to get a home run, and then you could take a bigger trade like that, and or if you're right again like you could also size in once the trade is respecting that. And again like it's also very subjective, like you already said, like you didn't hit your full TP and you're the type of trader, but doesn't hit your TP, you're not closing your trade, so either way you would have been wrong, you would have hit like your stop loss or break even. But I don't know, I just feel like if you would have at least waited to the top of the range, if you would have went at one NQ, you would have at least saw a lot more green on the screen, where you could have at least had the chance to close for closer to your target. I don't know.
No, I hear you, King. I mean, look, the safest now. I mean, again, easiest part now. Hindsight is like the loudest speaker here, but I mean, when I see these two rejections, and I see technically three rejections, by the way, because this is the initial sell-off where we're just completely dumping off the market. They find a some bottom here at the 530s, and the first test the buyers try to get back up into the EMA here. This is the first try for me, and then the second one, which was respected after the second try at the 60s, 680s, whatever, and then we retied it for a third time. Once I see continued support at a level, multiple times. This is 3 tries now, and we're at like again in a day where sellers are clearly in control. This flag, which we have formed here, could easily here. Let me even draw a line. It may even be a perfect little. Doesn't touch that part too cleanly. So if I draw a trend line, you can see I actually it wasn't really the best entry because we're bouncing off it. But at the same time, like this could have broke through this trend line too. Like you know what I'm saying. I don't know if you can see it's probably a little delayed, but. I mean, yeah, and at the end of the day, unfortunately, it just wasn't the right price. But I do hear what you're saying. With the intraday accounts, you have to be super precise. I wasn't, unfortunately. I did try the I wouldn't even say this is a middle again because, like, I guess the safest thing to do, the reason I would say you are correct 100% is because I did short at a trend line tap rather than if this would have broke through this trend line and then retested it, that would have been an even better chance, but I didn't have this drawn up, number one. Number two, I just see rejection at a big level on a day where sellers are clearly not letting this get above 680s. They obviously end up giving it up. And then, I mean, one of those things, King. You know what I mean? It wasn't perfect trading.
It's odds. It's again, like you saw an opportunity that it's typically another day. It could be an A+ setup for you, and you took it. So, like, I love that about you. Again, like, everyone does think differently. This is your show. It's just the only thing I would have loved to see as a participant, as a spectator, is like to me like it's again like I'm speaking in the sense. I'm trying not to use like my strategy when I say this, but I'm speaking in the sense of like order flow. As like Boss Trader always says, like I'm looking at the DOM, seeing where orders are resting. So that's why I'm saying like you bought a middle because I'm just seeing where the big orders, where the institutional players were wanting the targets to go. And the clearest target is the VWAP. That's where institutionals want to take it. So like to me, like in my eyes already seeing like we're doing little baby stair steps. We're setting lower highs, and we're just kind of doing that slow stair step up to that big institutional level. Where now we're seeing, some big passive seller is obviously stepping in here, absorbing.
That makes a lot. I mean, hey, I think. I mean, I know you are fucking. You read the charts well. So does Boss. You guys have been telling me to try order flow for that reason. Is because even if a setup looks consistent to what I would normally see, it has a different, context depending on the orders sitting in and around. So it's like even now, like I see if I'm seeing again failure to get through the bottom of the 15-minute range, where we're now selling with a strong push through an imbalance to create an inverted imbalance back at the same zone. I would short this price again. You know what I mean? And a day where also this is a setup. These setups would apply on a day where we're not moving hundreds and hundreds of points. You know what I mean? So I guess there also is your point of like sizing down on a day specific to today, because this range I truly do still believe will be respected, and maybe throughout the day, I could be completely wrong, of course, but this level is giant. Sellers are clearly defending it. Every time we get up through, there's really no continuation. Now we just got an inversion before VWAP. I would short this price again if I had the money to, or like if I was in the accounts, which again is your point of sizing. Because it's the same setup. It's just right now, like Newbie was saying, these candles are more expensive than normal. So that is also to your point of precision. So I hear it.
Like, it just imagine like if you did go in like 5 MNQ, where you would be right now like, sitting like back at break even. Like, and again, like just for example, like my trading that I took earlier, it's like if I would have took that with 1 NQ, 2, and even though it's an eval, so like yes, like I don't care about risking type of size, I would have never been able to weather the storm overnight. And that's the big thing is I still had a winning trade. I had to weather the loss, the drawdown. But I was in a small enough size where even if I wanted to, I could have added and brought my average higher, but I didn't. I didn't have that dog in me. And just, looking at like, I don't know if you know anything about like Delta and everything, it just showed that we had opportunity down to the sell side, and that's what I was just waiting for, And but again, I guess where I'm getting at, I don't want to overtalk, but it's just the size. Like the big things, the little size on a big day like this allowed me to make a big dollar amount on my screen, but theoretically risk less and be stress free for a lot of it,
Yeah. No, it's one thing I should probably be more dynamic with is my sizing on days where like, we're moving hundreds and hundreds. Each candle is hundreds of points. So like your risk parameter does just significantly increase. Like I'm sure I don't know what the ATR is right now, but it's probably ridiculous. And again, like this, I'm trading the same setups, but I have to be, because of the same setups where my stops would be invalidated, I should be sizing more dynamically, knowing that things are just going to, again, I could just be flat. Like right now, I'm not technically still wrong at this level. I was here at this price, but at this level, which I was originally trading, this price is like, could easily still be respected. And then it's like, again, just timing, sizing. So I hear you, brother. You're fucking, like I said, you've been crushing it. So it's dead on.
I appreciate you, King. But I'll let you go. I know it's your show. You probably want to do your outro and everything. But, if you ever want to talk again, I'm here.
Yes, sir. No, I'd love to have you on soon, too. Be vibes. But I appreciate you, brother. Take it easy.
Most definitely, man. Enjoyed it.
All right, family. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do the thing. Obviously, she didn't go exactly where I wanted her to. We'll see what happens. Boss thinks VWAP. Institutions probably thinking VWAP. Order flow saying VWAP. We'll see what happens. I still do not mind the 680 price. Again, on a normal day, I'd be taking the setup. Who knows? See if it happens. Soon as price retraced a decent amount after that big-ass up, I knew it was going to range and get the fuck out. Vinrin, yes, sir. Recovered an account with 22 left to draw down. Now up a decent 700. Let's fucking go, baby. $22, you saved it. That's what it's about. But all right, family. That was that man, Santi. Fucking what a dog. I love him. Big, huge member of the community. He's in the Discord. If y'all aren't in there, hop in there. He's in the voice channel all the time, sharing knowledge, sharing insight, sharing just value about the order flow, things that we can all just, again, we get better, we learn together. We learn together, we win together. That's what it's about. So much love to him. And much love to all of you guys. I am going to get out of here. Tomorrow's Friday, our big 300 while pad on. It's going to be an exciting day. We'll do some giveaways. It's just going to be a lot of blessings. So, Danny, I will miss you while you're getting your leg tat. Good luck. Have fun with it. At the end of the day, like I said, everything about what we're doing is for the freedom to do things like we actually care about. So, you guys mean the most. If you haven't hit the love button on the way out, show a little bit of love to that button. Let's get to our 30-like stream goal. And until then, I'll see you boys and family and girls and kings and queens all tomorrow. It's going to be a big day. I'm excited for it. And until then, drink some sun, get some water, and hug somebody you love, family. We'll be back. All right? Peace.
Started small with nothing. Now I got it all. I still want more.